All right. Well, this is a citizen of Monteville eco-munity, and I was trying to sneak up on my good friend Dan here, as I just said in the title, is the creator of the zombie sound effects used in the Zombulance, which is parked over there next to the church. Hello, Dan. How are you?
Good, man. Good to see you.
All right, well, we come over and check out your sound effects laboratory.
Sweet. Come on inside.
Let's go. Now, I believe there's a way to pause if we were using Producer Pro this stream. But in the meantime, I'm just going to pause it here, and we'll get back to you with Dan, the sound effects man.
Come on in.